we have some breaking news that's coming in at the very top of this segment, at the very top of this hour, in fact. A chopper that has crashed in Uttarakhand's Gaurikund area. This is yet another tragic news that we are gathering. The chopper has crashed in Uttarakhand's Gaurikund area is what we are learning at this given point. So far, the report suggests that 7 people were on board in this crashed chopper. Again, 6 adults and a 10-year-old were on board in this very chopper. These are the latest details that we have with regards to this tragic news coming to the round. Remember, we are already reeling from the shock of the Air India plane crash, and yet again we have another tragedy knocking on our doors. Again, Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami has said that rescue operations are underway. We are keeping a track of what exactly has gone down or what went down wrong for this chopper to have tragically crashed. But right now we're being joined by Ankit Sharma on the broadcast to bring us more details into this very story that's coming to the fore. Tragic story, that too, at the same time. Ankit, help us understand the details as to what exactly caused this unfortunate crash to have taken place in Uttarakhand. Where was the plane headed? Where was the chopper headed? And any confirmation on the casualties so far?
Good morning, Sia. Well, the chopper actually took off from Kedarnath and it was supposed to land on Guptkashi helipad, and due to an unfortunate moment turning on, the helicopter was missing, and after some hours, a video also surfaced online that the helicopter has crashed in a remote area of Gaurikund, Kharka area, and the SDRF and DRF team has is about to reach the crash site, and at least 7 people were boarding the helicopter. It's a very unfortunate incident that has come to light this morning. The weather is also not favorable. As you can see behind me, the dark clouds are looming over the city Dehradun, and same is the picture in every town of Uttarakhand today. So despite the bad weather, the helicopter took off from Kedarnath helipad, and it was supposed to land at Guptkashi helipad, but in between, like 10 kilometers from Kedarnath, near Gaurikund Khark area, the helicopter is reportedly crashed. However, the authorities are not confirming the crash reports as of now because they are still searching, and after completing the 8-kilometer track, the authorities will reach in about 40-45 minutes from now, and then only they will confirm it. See ya.
Right, Ankit. So, Ankit, at this given point, as we have been telling our viewers as well, 7 people were on board, but you're saying that the authorities have still not reached the area. But preliminary reports, from the preliminary reports rather, what are we gathering with regards to the cause? Was it bad weather at this given point that we are learning about? Because we see from the visuals the area has been, or rather was, quite cloudy at that given point. Is it being looked at as one of, could be like, you know, a possible cause behind this very aviation tragedy that's taken place?
Exactly. As I said, that the dark clouds, rain clouds are looming over various districts of Uttarakhand, including Rudraprayag and high altitude areas like Kedarnath. And the heli took off at 5:30 a.m. despite the DGCA restrictions, after we saw a hard landing few days ago when a helicopter landed straight away on the highway, and after that a license was also cancelled of one of the heli agencies called Kestrel. This is Aryan Aviation. 2 years ago, the same helicopter, the same agency helicopter also crashed in Kedarnath, and 6 people had died in October 2022. Now, after that, what kind of precautions, what kind of measures these heli companies have been taking is quite visible now, because the helicopter which was supposed to take off at 5:30 a.m. was supposed to land at 5:35 a.m. in Guptkashi, but it did not reach, and it went on missing. So after that, the authorities went on for the search operation. Till now, authorities have not reached because of the bad weather. Now, this also raises concern that despite DGCA's hard guidelines, why the heli companies are not following it. The heli operations should start after the sunrise, and in hills, you know that sunrise is generally after 6 a.m. or 6:30 a.m. and after sunset there is no heli operations as well. And DGCA has also instructed the heli operators to take only 2 sorties in 1 hour, and crucial management was also needed in such hour after we saw the heli crash landing, hard landing few days ago. And in Gangnani, a few months ago in Uttarkashi district, we also saw that a helicopter crashed, killing 6 people. So what have we learned from these incidents? We have seen a big plane crash in recent days, and what we are learning of flying safety is quite exposed now. See ya.
Absolutely, Ankit. Indeed, it is very alarming at this given point as to how things have been proceeding, especially within the aviation sector. Why guidelines are not being followed despite such a tragedy only having struck us a few days earlier. That is something that questions are still being raised regarding to. Ankit, thank you for bringing us all those details.